Hello my friends, so as you can see we are back in my kitchen today. So this is officially the second video in my kitchen of many to come. But yeah, we are back in my kitchen today because as you can probably see from the title of this video, I am doing a kitchen tour slash kitchen reveal, I guess. It's like I almost am thinking of like a gender reveal party, and I'm like, nope, this is a kitchen reveal party. So if you watched my video moving into my first apartment, I announced there that I am doing a 3-part like apartment reveal series, because one video would be too much, like would be too long I think, and then also I would just be giving away too much at once, you know. So I had to kind of keep the suspense, and I figured the kitchen needed its own video because, I mean, come on guys, it's the kitchen. Like, I spend probably more than half my time in this spot in my apartment, like with recipe development and just making food because, you know, your girl's hungry. Moving has been a tough experience for me. Yeah, I just love this kitchen. It's like my safe space, and especially now living on my own, I can keep it clean, I can keep it how I want it, I can have all the foods in it that I want. And so the first video was all about like the moving process, also for how it affected my mental health, which I admitted in that video was very, very hard for me. It was a very anxiety-provoking experience. I totally underestimated moving. I had many panic attacks and just a lot of anxiety, anxiety that I'm still dealing with today, because it's a big shift, you know, like living at home and then moving to your first place, like by yourself in a new city that you don't know, like you don't know anyone. And then also with COVID, it's like I've just been experiencing a lot of anxiety, but that's why I think it's very important for me to continue to share videos like this that make me happy, to continue to do things that I love, because, you know, that's what I live for, that's what's keeping my heart beating, that's what's allowing me to get out of bed every day, despite it like being dark till so late in the morning, getting dark so late in the evening. So I'm hoping it's 4:15 p.m. here, so I'm hoping that the light will hold up for now because it gets dark so early here. But anyways, today I'm doing a kitchen tour, and this is going to be the second video of my 3-part series, which I am revealing like my whole apartment transformation. Apartment tour will be next, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you do not miss that video and other videos. And if you do like this video or love it perhaps, I would so appreciate if you give it a big thumbs up, because it really helps my channel, supports my channel. And yeah, so without further ado, let us get to the kitchen reveal. The kitchen at first was actually only this countertop at first. So this whole island here, these cabinets, those cabinets over there, none of that was here. It was just this one countertop. And when I moved in, I was like, well, when we were looking here at the apartment for the first time, we were like, yeah, like we're gonna have to build, like, we're gonna have to expand the kitchen, because like this is a fridge right here, we have an oven right here, and then this cabinet under the sink, like I'm not gonna put food over there, and then there's my washing machine. So I had absolutely no like storage space for not only my food but also like my ceramics and my pans and my pots and my Tupperwares and my cooking stuff, you know. So my whole idea was to create this island because, I mean, come on, it's an island. Like, who doesn't love a kitchen island? I love that you can like look into the room while you're working. And then yeah, we got these cabinets up here that I'll be showing you guys what's in there if you guys keep watching. And then these shelves over here are just a really nice kind of decoration, but also like a useful decoration. So I did a lot of like Pinterest looking up, like, ooh, like kitchen space saving kitchen ideas, that kind of stuff. And I still like have some inspiration, like I'm still in need of some inspiration. So if you guys at any point in this video are like, oh my god, that would be such a good idea, or Livia would really appreciate that, please let me know. Drop a comment, because I actually still have a lot of food that's like not in my kitchen, that's like in my closet in my bedroom or in my closet in my living room because it simply does not fit. So yeah, I would really appreciate any tips. I'm open to feedback. So without further ado, let's get into the kitchen, how it is now. And I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like. So I guess we will just start off right here with this nice trolley situation I've got going on, because this is basically just my space for like extra stuff, like extra flaxseed that's currently not in use, or some granola. We've got a baking soda and baking powder down here because we literally use those every day. We've got our bananas, just some extra spices, some sea salt, turmeric, turmeric, cinnamon, just all the good stuff. Then we have here our fridge. So again, this is just a small fridge, and the freezer is like obviously not enough. We got some Brussels sprouts, cranberries. So I actually have another freezer, so stay tuned for that. Then up here we have our mugs and our oats and our oat bran and some grains and flax and chia, and up there we have some like storage stuff. Then here we have our microwave and oven. So this is a microwave and oven in one, which I'm just so stoked about because mug cakes need a microwave, and with baking you need an oven. Then here I've got my baking stuff. Over here we've got like cooking utensils. So I got all the spoons and my milk frother for my coffee. And yeah, just like basic baking stuff. Over here we've got here we've got a vegan milker, like fave thing ever. My immersion blender, cutting boards, a grater. Back there we've got a waffle iron, and my aluminum baking pans for my catering business I just started. Yeah, so the sink, this is just like the cleaning thing, nothing special. Drying rack, and I love my spice rack just so much. My spice rack is my fave thing. Like, isn't this so beautiful? Again, another amazing space-saving item. And speaking of space-saving items, over here I've got two baskets that I just purchased at IKEA, and you just slide them in like that, so it's super easy. Then over here we've got our teas. We love a good tea, and our coffee, our chocolate, some nuts and seeds over here, and up there we've got our grains and like pasta and tomato sauce and rice, mostly like dinner grains. Then in this cabinet over here, this is my favorite cabinet ever. It's truly my favorite cabinet ever. So we are getting a stool over here because I can't reach. Like, I can't show you guys, I'm so small. So we're bringing our stool over here. This is what I use for everything. Over here we've got our peanut butter, our cacao nibs, my favorite Live Puree proteins. Back here we've got some teff flour, cacao powder. Here we've got our collagen, some more pea protein. I love this one from Madison because it's just unflavored, and sometimes that's just amazing, so you can add your own flavors. Back here we've got some more flours, grains. So as you can see, I put a lot of my items in old yogurt containers because it's a very cheap and affordable way to store your food without having to buy containers. Down here we've got some cacao powder. What's this? Peanut flour, collagen, seeds. Up here's all like my crunchy stuff. So in here I have like cereal and more cereal, and back there we have some waffle crackers, some rice cakes, chickpea flour, lupin flour, a clean lean protein of course, and back there we've got the probiotic cacao. And then in this cabinet we have all our kind of like our dinner grains and tea, coffee, chocolate, nuts and seeds. Now we are making our way to the other side. So this is what's behind the island. And here we have a whole extra freezer because as you guys saw, that freezer is tiny. So here I've got all my smoothie ingredients. Strawberries, blackberries, cherries, blueberries, cauliflower, just all the good stuff. Down here we've got some more stuff. We just have more stuff. Here we've got our silverware drawer. So lots of good silverware stuff over here. In the other drawer we have more like measuring cups and baking items, and then our fancier silverware, so our golden silverware is in here. Then down here we've got our Tupperware. So I bought this basket to store my Tupperware, which is really handy. And more Tupperware, just like, yeah, random like storage stuff. Down here we've got our like little dessert plate, so if I have a nice baked good or want to make something small, I will use these. Pans, pots, and there's other pans and pots that are drying right here. Then of course over here we've got our ceramics, aka all the nice bowls and plates that I eat off of that also are very present on my Instagram. So I might actually create something over here to create more space. I got some IKEA like space saver things. Over here we've got more plates, bowls. Oh my god, I didn't organize this for you guys. But yeah, that's basically it. That is for my like food processor attachment thingies. Over here we've got a Vitamix, our coffee maker, our air fryer of course. Oh my god, and I got these two trash bins, and like look, it like matches my curtain. Like, isn't that amazing? Isn't that beautiful? So I got these IKEA like lift thingies because they might help me save storage. So if you guys have tips, where should I put these? I would appreciate that. So then this is my little cabinet where I usually make my food photos over here. And here is kind of like my extra cabinet where I have like oils and just things that I don't use every day, but that are just, I still need, like we still need Oreos. And more Oreos and candy over here. Yeah, because that doesn't fit in the kitchen currently. And then, yeah, oh, and I'll show you guys where the backdrops are too. Back here, we've got all of our backdrops. So this is like a wooden one. What else do we have? Here we have our marble backdrops. These are just white backdrops. Oops. And over here, we've got our marble pastry board. So now you guys know what my kitchen looks like on the inside, behind the screens. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, hit the bell notification to see future videos from me. Oh, and if you want to see all the delicious creations I make with everything from this kitchen, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Live Label Free, and you can find all my recipes on my blog, which is also livelabelfree.com. I will see you guys there, and if you guys ever want a video like, oh my god, Olivia, I want to see this from you, be sure to let me know because I love suggestions, I love feedback when asked for, and I'll see you guys next time.